To install gradients in Photoshop CS5, CS4, etc., PC or Mac, also for Elements, you can use the GRD files and place them in the gradients folder in Photoshop. So I'm just going to go to the folder, and you will find them in the program files, Adobe Photoshop, CS5, presets, and then we get down to gradients. Now, selection of gradients there are from obviously Adobe. They're the color harmonies and all those sort of things. They're GRD files. And if you go to Photoshop and you just go to the gradient tool there, and then you go to the gradient palette here, you will see the same GRD files here. Now, you can add obviously any to that list by adding those files to that folder. So if you go and add another GRD file, say like a graphicextras.com, there's 32,000 of them on Graphic Extras, that you can add any of those files, they will appear in this list. Another way is via the File Open command. So you just go to File Open, go to the gradients, so Products, Adobe, Photoshop, Gradients, and I'm just going to quickly select Gradients too, and there's a whole selection of GRD files here, so just select that one, Open. Now if you go to the palette, you will see they've been loaded there. So the other ones were loaded earlier. These are Pack 4 gradients. But so that's one way of doing it. Another way to do it is on the right side. You go to the actual the palette, and then go to the Replace gradients. Or if you want to add more and more to the gradients, you can use the Load command. But you can use the Replace gradients. And I'm just going to select a GRD file. This is an edge pack, sort of used for bubbles and buttons and frame designs. Click Load, and those gradients are now loaded, and the old ones are gone. So that's a quick, easy way of getting and changing the gradients.